Charlotte and Scott. Looks like we're going to have pretty good weather for that, although a little chilly.
A little chilly, John, but you're right. Beautiful weather for the weekend. You saw the clear skies there. I'm going to show you a little different picture. If you're going way up to the north, this is Grandfather Mountain up there, Banner Elk. Yeah, this is with the tower cam up there. Not tower cam, but live cameras, you know, they have around the region. And picking up some clouds up there. Now, as I showed you in first forecast, there were a few sprinkles in and around the region, up in Avery County and Allegheny County and Ashe County as well. And that's why some of those clouds are around. But right now, in the uptown Charlotte area, 79 degrees, lots of sunshine. Dew point, pretty pleasant out there. When you get below 60 as a dew point temperature, you're looking pretty good. Now, some other temperatures, they vary widely here, folks. Look at this, 55 at Jefferson, 70 at Statesville, 81 at Concord. So, yeah, wherever you are, wherever you're seeing more sunshine in the state, that's where you're picking up more of the rays of insolation and actually helping to warm up just a little bit. I did expect temperatures to get up into the upper 70s today. Our winds are coming out of westerly direction for the most part. They'll come out of a northerly direction as we go throughout the weekend. And you can see here, not temperatures, but wind speeds are ranging from about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Or fairly calm at that, and a few wind gusts, one in particular, we're looking at Boone up there at about 20 miles an hour. Now, do note here, we have the clouds, and following those clouds, I drew this little blue line here because this is the wind flow, the wind direction, and you can see all the clouds coming down from Canada straight through the Great Lakes and into the New England states, and that's why the colder air is going to be ushered in here, not only starting tonight, but over the next couple of evenings. We'll see temperatures falling down into the 40s, and that's in the local urban areas, and then outside of that, some of the valleys, you'll be into the 30s. Here's a surface map showing that quite nicely. Any real rain is going to be staying well to the north. So this is going to be more of a wind shift and ushering in colder air with the passage of the front later this afternoon. And going into tonight, well, high pressure is going to be the main player here as we go throughout the next couple of afternoons. You can see here in the temperature map, all of the shade of green, that's where it's coolest. And you can see where it is, lying primarily up across the Great Lakes, but then it starts to ooze on down here throughout the weekend. So, yeah, get ready for the sweater weather. I hate to say it, but it's about that time, right? Now, Friday night football is getting underway again, once again tonight. Games usually start around 7 o'clock, so temperature about that time should be around 61 degrees or so. And this is for one of the bigger games, South Iredell versus Maiden across the area. And then by the time 9 o'clock rolls around, temperatures should be about 58 degrees up in the Iredell region. As far as the tropics are concerned, we have Ophelia. Ophelia is now up to 115 miles an hour, Category 3, but thankfully it's going to stay out to sea, as you can see here by the track of Ophelia over time, and just kind of brush Bermuda. Back home for us, we're looking at some nice weather here. 78 today, 65 for Saturday, and 66 for Sunday. So mid-60s for your weekend highs, lower 40s for overnight lows, and again, like I said, you could have a couple of 30s across the region. Then we warm up towards the tail end and the beginning of next week. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. John, back to you.